we decided it was time to move on and said our goodbyes to the Gladiator. So, we flew back to Wellington, gave my sister one last hug.
We're in Wellington right now in the airport, and we have to take a small plane to Auckland first. And there we have to wait 7-8 hours, and then we take a plane for 10 to 11 hours, so it's gonna be a very long day.
And continued our journey onto a new destination.
I mean, this is literally the last opportunity that I have to eat. Bye bye bye. Ba ba da ba. Oh, it's so hot.
New Zealand's all the way down here.
Right here.
And we're flying over the Pacific all the way to here. So that's our ride to Chile. We have finally arrived in Santiago. I'm sorry if I don't seem excited. I am. I'm just so knackered. we almost haven't slept for 24 hours, so
Yeah.
So the plan is to find out a little apartment for the week and have some rest.
So it's quite late. We're really jet lagged, really tired. And Glenn is sitting quite naked in the kitchen eating peaches. All in the dark.
We just slept like 3 hours today when we arrived here.
Yeah.
Went to get some food, and now we're all like, I wouldn't say energetic, but clearly awake. And I think it's gonna be a drag tonight to fall asleep, even though we are tired.
But we will see Santiago at some point. Right now we're just staying here in our little apartment, trying to make time pass and get tired.
Time passes, yeah. Just doing nothing.
Good morning from Santiago.
The Chile.
The Chile. We haven't really been out in the city yet because I have been battling with jet lag and sickness. But today is the day. Also, always battling with that.
Yeah, so today we have something planned. You can actually see it right behind us. Cecilia goes a little bit to the side. Over here we have Santa Lucia Hill, the small one. And the big one over there is San Cristobal, which is the highest hill in the city, of course. So I think now we head down.
Go to Santa Lucia.
Go to Santa Lucia.
In 3, 2. So now we are standing in front of Santa Lucia, which is actually a public park. And I think we will see if we can go all the way to the top and get a nice view. First view of the day.
Well, we have arrived at the Terrazza Neptune, which is basically the terrace of Neptune, you know. And you see a statue over there. If you can imagine, he's holding a guitar. It seems that you have this place for yourself. Right now we're at the bottom still, but we had to sign in to get into this area, this park.
There's like a security guard sitting there. You've seen that everywhere. Also in supermarkets they have a lot of security.
Yeah, I think
I know there's been a lot of looting.
Yeah, exactly.
In last October.
It's just I'm not sure if it gives you a safety feeling or a feeling of rather that it can happen that there's some dangerous situations.
It's not holding us back. We're still out vlogging with a big camera, but I mean,
you have to watch out.
Yeah, we're in the city center and there's always people around us, except for now. So it'll probably be fine.
So I think this is the entry towards the top, Toro Mirador. Did you know that this hill was part of an active volcano? Well, a volcano like 60 million years ago.
You're lying.
No? I know you don't want to believe me because I talk a lot of shit and stuff.
Yes, you do.
But when it comes to volcanoes, I'm quite serious.
I don't know what I expected, but it's definitely better than I expected. I just mean the view up here is just great. So behind me, you can see the Andes, see all the mountains. You can even see the snow caps on the mountain tops. And you have
a 360 view here.
You have the San Cristobal Hill we're gonna see later. You have all of downtown. You can see all the apartment blocks. I don't know how long you can see it, but very long.
All right, I think we conquered this hill ourselves now.
Yes.
And it's time to go down, grab some food at the Mercado Central. Okay.
So it's pretty interesting. You can definitely see in the whole downtown it's just filled with graffiti that says revolution, all these things, and yeah, it's quite interesting to.
It's funny to see how daily life goes about.
Yeah, like during the day it's like just daily life, and then when it gets a bit later, that's when it starts. But it doesn't mean that they are violent, they're just protesting. It's also often peaceful protest.
So on our way to get some food, we had a small stop in Plaza Damas, which is basically the main square of Santiago. A lot to do here. You see people playing chess, people singing, playing music, a lot of chilling out here. It's quite nice, quite relaxed, yeah. There's no hassle here, just calm down, you know.
So this big yellow building behind me is the central market here in Santiago, and before we go check it out, I really need some food, so I think we'll hop in here and get some empanadas. Uno opinion empanada y dos queso. Just what we need, a big calorie bomb.
We have to stand and eat. It's quite nice. I only see locals though, a couple of tourists. But
So I'm gonna try this one now. It's the queso. It's warm.
yeah, warm cheese.
Right from the oven. Oh, it's delicious. That's so me. It's like a croissant. It's literally like a croissant filled with cheese. So it's definitely more hassle here. But it smells super good in here if you like fish. I do.
I don't, but
Glenn
I
don't?
think it stinks in here. Okay.
Photo.
Photo? Whoa! Yeah. It's alive. Buenas tardes. Bye. Ciao.
So, I got to touch a squid.
Yeah, me too. My hands stink so
So
much.
funny. It was so nice in there. It's literally just come by the fish market and go by. Maybe they'll let you hold a fish.
Oh
It
man.
was so nice. But anyways, so it's like a small strip full of fish, and then there's a big room where there's just full of restaurants.
Yeah.
And since we just ate, so I think we will head to the Cristobal Hill now
Yeah.
and maybe find a place where I can wash my hands.
I'm holding this camera, and I swear to you, my finger is so close to my nose, and it's
It was so
unpleasant.
nice, though.
I want to destroy. I want to burn this camera.
So while we are walking towards the Cristobal Hill, you can definitely see that we're a little bit out of the main city center area, because there's looks like there's a lot of poor people here. They live in the parks and they sell used t-shirts on a blanket,
Yeah.
and that's
drinks
a little
and-
bit sad, but
Yeah.
there's not much we can do about that. So Yeah. But let's go to the hill. I just wanted to make the notice because that is what you see sometimes, and that's real.
Okay, I think it's safe to say we made it to the entrance of... What was it called again?
Cristobal Hill, San Cristobal.
True. Gracias.
So it costs 2,000 for a round trip per adult. It's like €2.30. Oh, I think it's happening. Pretty impressive. We got really high up.
Imagine if you have to walk all this way.
Yeah. But you really see how big Santiago is.
It's immense, actually.
Yeah. It's really big.
It's quite impressive.
It is really impressive.
We are so high over the rainbow.
So I think we should go up and check out the Virgin Mary statue. Because that's like the top of the hill.
Oh, you can
And
bike here as well.
when you're up there, we are 300 meters above the rest of Santiago. That's why people go here for the great views.
It almost feels like we're on a skate, an ice skate lane.
What I was trying to say is this lovely prayer wall behind me. Yeah. It's actually quite nice to look at all these small things. There's a lot of bracelets and the religious pearls and pictures.
Some nice words here. Appreciation.
Not only is this a religious place, it's also the place where all of Santiago get their cell phone reception.
There is even one behind, Virgin Mary, a big one.
So, while we are standing here looking at the 22-meter tall Virgin Mary on San Cristobal Hill, we decided to end the vlog for now. I need some sleep, honestly. I haven't slept for 2 days, so I think it was a very successful day. And I'm excited to explore some more of Santiago. So
that'll be for another day.
yes. So, see you on that one.
And thank you for watching.